Komisi benta ban penklan ya kajing persang ban yada ya ki khlung na kajing pang polio bat ban beteng ya ka thong ban punduk jat ya ka ne kajing pang ka office district medical and health officer ri Bhoi district menta kasngi ka penong ya kajing Sdang jaga national immunization day pulse polio hari Bhoi district ya ka ne kajing Jingaidawai polio la Sdang ha kanongpo urban health and wellness center lengkedan ha kabalawan ban Plie Paidbah da deputy commissioner kari Bhoi Shri Abhishek Saini IAS ha ka Jingaidawai ka district medical and health officer kari Bhoi Dr AR Marak Dr BR Light Plang kinong tre ka kwat kya ki nurse bat ki kmi ki kpa ki bawanra e ki khun chung ki ban pendi ya udawai polio ha ka ne ka sngi la sakhiru ya deputy commissioner kari Bhoi district ba ulawanra ya la ikhun ban pendi ya udawai polio ka ba longkum kadak ban aiman sim ban penshilo re ki kmi ki kpa bakin wanra ya la ki khun chung ki ban yo e ka ne ka jingada ka ba kongsan kani ka Jingaidawai polio ka longkum shi banta jung ka thong jung ka sarkar ban penti kana ba baro ki khlung ki ba hapo san snam karta kin yo e ka jingada bat ban yada na ka jingwan biang jung ka ne ka jingpang kapang padeng jong ka ni ka Jingaidawai menta ka snam kalong every drop counts every child matters kabapan I ya ka jingdan kam jong man la ka wei ka jingdi dawai banyada ya ka jing em jong ki khlung ya ka ni ka Jingaidawai polio hari Bhoi ka ne haru lai sngi harian ka jing Sdang menta ka sngi ha kini ki ar sngi ki babot ki kan hunong tre ka kwat ka khya ki net cha ki shnong bat ki yeng brio ban Jingaidawai polio khnang ban penti kana ba amdan satya ki khlung ki basha e no klem yo ya ka ni ka jingyada
Polio. Meet it. One more. Meet it.
This program at the event of the pulse polio immunization. So to all the people, I would like to appeal to bring their children for the pulse polio immunization. This vaccination is very important for them in order to ensure protection from a very difficult disease which is polio, and just 2 drops of this will be life-saving for them. So I appeal to all the people of the district, all the parents, the mothers, to please make sure that during this campaign the children should be vaccinated and the polio drops should be given to them. And once again I'd like to thank the health department and all the team for their efforts, and I hope that this campaign will be very successful. Thank you.